says, Schnitzel, sous vide. How does this work when you pound thin, sous vide, then fry? Is it worth sous vide? Cole's on here. He said he did one a few weeks ago and it was brilliantly crispy. I could definitely see it working. I've done chicken parm and I did chicken piccata as well. The big thing that you, at least that I would keep in mind when I was doing it to start off, is that I wouldn't go too thin. When you're doing like schnitzel and some things like that with traditionally, you want to make sure you get it really thin so you fry it and you're not going to burn the coating while you can still cook through the meat. If you can cook through the meat with sous vide, then you don't really have to worry about the sear as much. You just have to make sure that it gets crunchy, which is a lot easier. So I did my chicken parm instead of being, a half inch thick, I did it like an inch thick, which turned out a lot juicier, moister, and probably healthier that it had less coating per inch of chicken on it. That's what I would do with schnitzel. Do it a little bit thicker because you're not worried about it cooking all the way through. And if you do it really thin, if you want it in a more traditional manner and you do end up doing it real thin, I would recommend considering chilling it off in an ice bath or cold water before you coat it and sear it. Leave it in the bag, chill it a little bit, and then that'll give you a little bit longer sear without it overcooking the middle as much. Hopefully Cole will post a recipe in the group at some point and we can see what he did. And he may disagree completely with what I'm saying, but that's what I would do approaching it for the first time.